Hi, Darren McGowan here from Partel. We're on site today at the new UCD sports complex. It's right here in the heart of the UCD campus. We're on site today to do a site inspection to look at the EXOPERM SA 250 and how it's been installed. EXOPERM 250 has been specified on this project for a couple of reasons, I guess. The first one is that it is a B-rated breather membrane when it's installed on the board underneath it. It's airtight as well, and of course it has excellent adhesion. So we're on site today after, I don't know, I guess 50 days straight of rainfall, for example, thereabouts. And the product has really adhered well to the board. There hasn't been any complaints from the guys here on site.